Okay, so in this question we're given a differential equation, and that's dy dx equals 2 plus y times 1 minus 3x. And we need to find the general solution, so we need to solve it and find the general solution, and we need to give the answer as y equals f of x, so we have to make y the subject at the end. So the first step when we've got the differential equation is we're going to times up the dx to the right hand side. So we get dy equals 2 plus y 1 minus 3x, and then we have a dx. So the dx has just gone up over here. And this basically means we want to get the y's on the left and the x's on the right. So we're going to divide down the 2 plus y. So we get 1 over, and I'm going to just switch it around to y plus 2 dy equals 1 minus 3x dx. And now that we've separated everything, we have all the y's on the left and all the x's on the right, we can now integrate both sides. So we integrate here and here, and we do these integrals separately. And because they're relatively simple, I'm just going to do them straight away. So the first one becomes an ln. So ln mod y plus 2 equals, and on the right hand side we can integrate that. We get an x minus 3 over 2x squared plus a constant. So we only have to add a constant to one side, even though there's two integrations, because the constant here can get absorbed into this constant here. So this is the general solution. We've actually done the first part. We've got the general solution, but now we need to put the answer as y equals, so we need to make y the subject. So the first step is we're going to unlog this. So ln means base e. So we have e to the power of all of this equals y plus 2. So we can get y plus 2 equals, and it should be e to the power of the right hand side, x minus 3 over 2x squared plus c. And we can just actually minus the 2 over and we're done. But there's something that we usually do. If we have a plus c in the exponent, we usually split this up in the following manner. So we get e to the x minus 3 over 2x squared times e to the c. And we're going to let this be a constant. Say, for example, let a equal e to the c. So we're going to get y plus 2 equals, so that's a capital A, and then we got the rest of this, e to the x minus 3 over 2x squared. And now the last step, we can minus over the 2, so you get y equals a e to the x minus 3 over 2x squared minus 2.